Hi, I'm Chris Kumis. Welcome back to Ruland's Collar and Coupling Corner, the only weekly show that answers your shaft collar and coupling questions. This week's question comes to us from a user in Orlando, Florida. They write, I would like to use a shaft collar that can be easily removed or repositioned on a pole that's being used in a top secret martial arts application I'm working on. Which would you recommend? In this case, the quick clamping collar with clamping lever is the most suitable alternative. Poles often have a wide shaft tolerance that is not conducive to the use of the style with cam lever. If the tolerance is on the top end of the band, the collar won't fit over the end. If it's on the low end of the band, it may be impossible to clamp the collar down, and it may just be too loose flopping around on the shaft. The quick release collars with clamping lever are a new product line for us and are especially useful in this type of an application. On a pole, the two-piece collar is ideal as it can accommodate slightly wider shaft tolerances than a one-piece type. This does come at the expense of holding power. We confirm with the user that the static axial load requirement of this application is only 100 pounds. This shouldn't be a problem for an 1.5-inch collar. But as always, we recommend test it out. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.